Hi, I'm Kate from the Studio of English, and welcome to this short exercise to help you practice how to use prepositions correctly. In this exercise, you need to choose the correct preposition to complete each sentence. You will have 10 questions and you can choose from the following prepositions: at, on, by, to, for, of, or with. Let's do an example question together. I will read the question, which will have a gap, and you need to decide which is the correct preposition to complete the sentence. After a few seconds, I will then read the sentence again with the correct preposition. So here's an example. Marie is tired hearing the same complaints. Do you know which one it is? The correct preposition here is of. Well done. And just before we start, remember to work at your own pace and pause the video if you need a little bit more time. Question 1. Norway is famous. Its spectacular scenery. Norway is famous for its spectacular scenery. Question 2. We enjoyed our trip, India. We enjoyed our trip to India. Question 3. We may play tennis at the weekend. It depends the weather. We may play tennis at the weekend. It depends on the weather. Question 4. Margaret is terrified spiders. Margaret is terrified of spiders. Question 5. The job application form needs to be completed the end of the week. The job application form needs to be completed by the end of the week. Question 6. Susie met Matthew at a wedding. Susie met Matthew at a wedding. Question 7. Sally always treats other people great respect. Sally always treats other people with great respect. Question 8. The children have been playing tennis half an hour. The children have been playing tennis for half an hour. Question 9. There has been an increase 8% in Mark's test scores. There has been an increase of 8% in Mark's test scores. Question 10. Helen smiled, excitement. Helen smiled with excitement. So well done for completing this test. Remember to revisit this exercise as often as you need to. And if you found this exercise helpful, please do give it a rating and remember to subscribe for more resources and video lessons to support you with learning English. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.